Hello everyone and welcome to another Healing Hikes this week. Last week we went to Sugarloaf Reservoir, so be sure after the video to check that one out. But today, where are we? We're at Masons Falls. We're going to do the full Masons Falls hike. That's only like 500 meters away, so that will be at the start of the video. You'll get to see the waterfall. Then we're going to do the Running Creek, so we're going to follow Running Creek track. And then we're going to come up to Mount Sugarloaf and follow the boundary track back around. So it should be about 12 to 15 kilometers, and it's a grade 3 hike because it is quite steep and rocky. Only the formed paths are the first 500 meters. So let's go check out that waterfall and the rainforests. Happy hiking. So we've made it to the viewing platform. Let's check out this Masons Falls. We're on the viewing platform right now, and what we're going to do is we're going to head up these steps. And up the steps here is Running Creek track, and then we're going to follow Running Creek down the bottom. And as I said, it's about a 10 or 12 kilometer loop, so I'll show you what's down the bottom of this massive gorge. And yeah, that should be another Healing Hikes adventure for the week. If you're new to the channel, welcome. The point of the channel is simply to inspire, educate, and help you get out in nature from the seat of your couch. So thank you so much for watching and happy hiking. This hike's great for the diverse flora and fauna that you do see on the trail. The bird life is just in abundance, and you can hear lots of lyrebirds and kookaburras and whipping birds and currawongs and magpies, really iconic Australian birds. On the ground there's a lot of kangaroos and wallabies and wombats and echidnas and such. And with the trees, there's a lot of wattle, eucalyptus, gums, those kind of stuff. There's not many pine trees, but there's a lot of burnt out trees from Black Saturday, the bushfires that happened just over 10 years ago. So we're getting to the bottom of Running Creek track now. So we're in the bottom of the gorge, and I'll show you Running Creek as well, which flows all the way into Hurstbridge, Diamond Creek, Altham, then into the Yarra River. So I'll show you that one right now. I've been walking on a decline now for probably about half an hour. So you can see the form of the track and how quite steep it is and rocky. So as I said at the beginning, it is a grade 3 hike. So pick and choose which way you want to start a circuit always, whether you want to go uphill at the start or downhill at the start when you want to see the waterfall first, or you want to go see the beach. Make sure you pick your circuits accordingly and have appropriate footwear and gear and, you know, all that kind of stuff in case you get into an emergency. So as I said earlier, this is a grade 3 hike. It is quite steep and quite rocky for a good portion of the track. First, for half an hour, 40 minutes is a big decline, and it is, as I said, rocky. And then the second part is all uphill, and it's the exact same type of terrain. So make sure you have adequate shoes and a little bit of fitness under your base, but it is only a grade 3 hike. So we're still following the Running Creek track, but we've started our ascent towards Mount Sugarloaf and the Blackwood picnic area. So this should take about 20 minutes to get to the top, and yeah, I'll show you some of those views. So we've made it to the road. So there's still another 2.5 kilometres to go to the car park, and that completes the whole circuit. But we're going to finish it there. We won't film the road, it's not that interesting. But come check out Mason's Falls and check out my other videos. Next week, hopefully, we're going to be going to Wilson's Prom, and we're going to be doing 3 nights. 1 night at Sealer's Cove, 1 night at Refuge Cove, and 1 night at Little Waterloo Bay. So you'll get a look of the southern circuit of Wilson's Prom, and later on in the season we'll go to the northern circuit of Wilson's Prom as well. So all the best, thanks for watching, and happy hiking.